In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can take numbers written in scientific notation and arrange them in order, either from least to greatest or greatest to least. When we have numbers that are written in standard form, we have to do a lot of comparing and counting of zeros and places to see which number is larger, but when they're in scientific notation, there are a few tricks that we can use to quickly identify which numbers are the largest or the smallest. So here we have three numbers written below, and we want to arrange them from least to greatest. The very first thing that I'm going to do when ordering numbers written in scientific notation is look at the exponents. So here I have an exponent of 5, 8, and 5. The number with the largest exponent is going to be the largest number. So we have 3.9 times 10 to the 8th. That's the biggest exponent that we have. So this is going to be the greatest value. But now I'm stuck with two terms that have equal exponents. If the exponents are the same, this is when we start to look at the other number. So here we have 4.5 and 5.2. The smaller first number is going to be the smaller number when the exponents are the same. So since 4.5 is less than 5.2, this first one is going to be the smaller value, which leaves us with the last one for the middle spot. So again, we just start by looking at the exponents. If any of the exponents match up, that's when we move on to the first number, the one with the decimal point, to see where we go from there. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can arrange these numbers from least to greatest. Alright, so for this one, we start again with the exponents. We have -5, -2, and -2. If we think about where those sit on a number line, -5 is farther to the left, it's farther away from 0, so that is our smallest value. So that number automatically gets the first or the least spot. But then we have two numbers with exponents that are equal. So we move on to the decimal in front. 6.1 is smaller than 7.5, so that means that 6.1 times 10 to the -2nd is going to be less than 7.5 times 10 to the -2nd. And so we end up with the numbers in this order. Go ahead and pause the video and try and place these numbers in order from least to greatest. For this one, all of our exponents were the same, or were different, so that's the only thing that we have to look at. -2 is smaller than both 1 and 3, so that is our least number. 3 is the greatest, so that's our biggest number altogether, and 1 sits right in the middle. One more. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can get these in order from least to greatest. In this example, all of the exponents were the same, so we have to move on to the other numbers. 1.4 is the smallest, 4.9 is the greatest, and 2.5 is right in the middle. So remember, when you're ordering numbers in scientific notation, start with the exponents, and only if they are the same do you have to look at the other number.